Hey guys, it's Tom here from Tom's Tech Reviews, and today I'm going to show you my top 5 tips on how to get the most out of your Roku streaming stick. So if this video does help you in any way, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and even better, subscribe to my channel to get my latest weekly reviews. So without further ado, let's get started. My first tip is to add the latest remote to your Roku player. If you have an older version Roku streaming stick such as the Roku Express or Roku Premier, you can upgrade the functionality of them by adding Roku's latest voice remote to your Roku player in the settings. This voice remote includes a TV power on-off button, a microphone for voice control, volume controls and a mute button, and all of these extra features will work on your current Roku stick as long as you have the latest updates installed. Roku's voice remotes come bundled with their Roku Streaming Stick Plus player, but you can also buy them separately, and I'll leave a product link in the video description below. In your Roku settings, if you go to Remotes and Devices and then click on About, you can find out how much power you have left in your remote's batteries. Now this may be a very simple tip, but it's actually very useful information, because not only can you check the battery level in your Roku remote, there's nothing stopping you checking the battery level in your main TV remote or any other devices that use the same batteries, which is AA batteries. And that means that you won't have any nasty surprises when suddenly you find that either or both of your remotes suddenly stop working and you haven't got any spare batteries. The Roku app is, in my opinion, very good indeed. You can download it from the App Store, and it includes most of the functions of Roku's latest remote and a lot more. The app keyboard function makes it much easier to search for content, and you can browse and add channels from the app too. You can cast media content to your TV from your smartphone using the Roku app, and also from your computer and smartphone using apps such as YouTube and Netflix. With the YouTube app, just tap on the cast icon on the top right and then select your Roku streaming stick. The YouTube app also offers an excellent voice search function and a control panel to browse your Roku content. It really is an excellent app to use with your Roku player. You can also listen to your Roku player content with your favourite Bluetooth headphones. You'll need to use the Roku app I mentioned earlier, and you simply pair your headphones with your smartphone first and then tap on the private listening icon on the Roku app. If you have a Roku TV, you can connect your Bluetooth headphones easily from your Roku TV settings. So that's my top 5 Roku tips for today, and if you do know any more, please let me know in the comment section below. So that just leaves me to say thanks for watching, and if you did like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe for a lot more tech reviews and guides to come. Hi there, you can't get past this checkpoint. This is a Tom's Tech Review checkpoint. I can't let you pass until you subscribe.
Oh, but I need to go to McDonald's for Big Mac.
Yeah, I know, but you can't get past until you subscribed.
Okay, Big Guy. I just subscribed.
Okay, that's great. You're free to go.